Stella! Stella, come on. Here, boy. Come on. Come on, girl. What you doing? Are you waiting? You think I should unload the semi? All right, let's go. Coffee, started off. Stella literally sits here and waits. And as soon as I turn this auger on, she goes nuts. Guys are going, I got a couple of loads. This is the first load in, second Super B's just about full. They're going on a 35-acre piece right now that we have fenced off. We want to get it done so that we can let the cows go in there and graze the green stalks and whatever's left on the field. Well, Arch is combining, Peter's running the cart today, Daryl's trucking back and forth, and while they're gone doing that, I'm unloading the trucks, testing the moisture of the corn coming in, and testing the moisture coming out of the dryer, just making sure everything's running smooth, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'll show you what I do for testing moisture on the corn coming in, and then I'll show you how hot our corn is that I'm testing out the back of the dryer. So I'll take this sample to our testing shack where we have a moisture reader and we'll test it. Right on. So because we know that this corn's a little bit on the wetter side, we actually on our digital scale here we put about exactly 175 grams in. That's what our chart here says. 175 grams, and then I'll show you what we do. There, so 175 grams. Come over to our calibrated to be bang on, and I dump it. Move this over, and this will give me a calibration or a number. So I bring that dial by turning that right here. That brings that needle, that moves that needle. I want to bring that needle all the way over to right there. And then I take that number, which is 37.5, and I go here. So in my book, at 37.5, it's 26% moisture. So last test I did was 25, so it's really all over the place, and that's why I keep on testing it, just to make sure that we're staying somewhat consistent, so my bin isn't all over the place. Makes it easier for drying and keeping my flow going out continuous. Then I have a good idea how many bushels I'm doing an hour. Okay, and then for testing it when it's hot, I grab the corn out of the back of the dryer and I do the same thing, except then I do 250 grams. We kind of got a Mickey Mouse system here. It's not exactly ideal, but we couldn't think of something better. So I'll bring this sample. I'll do the same thing. I won't show you the whole steps, but the temperature of the grain is, it's actually supposed to be a little bit hotter than that. I was gonna say, typically it's in that 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's what means, that's what I mean when I'm dropping it hot. That's the temperature, so. Oh, we just had supper and had a little break, so decided I'd whip out to the field, see where the guys are going. They finished up the 35 acres this morning and they're working on 50-acre piece. We're hoping to finish that yet today. They got, I think, about 30-ish acres left, 35, and they're grown up, so I don't get out to the field a whole lot to ride in the combine, so I didn't at all today. So we're gonna throw the drone up and get some footage. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll probably be, they're calling for up to 2 inches of rain for tomorrow and the next day. So we're going to be loading up a 10,000 bushel bin as much as we can to dry during those days. So our wet bin is just about full. So at this point, I really wish we had a bigger wet bin, but it is what it is. Thankful that we were able to get done what we've been able to get done. Well, it's going to be a little bit of an earlier night. That's okay. We had a good day. Cross auger apparently isn't turning, so looks like we got a rainy day project tomorrow. So we'll rip that apart tomorrow and figure out what went wrong. And there comes Peter, roaring in like a lion. Well, I have a bit of a night ahead of me and we'll have some drying to do tomorrow. Guessing we're gonna get some rain, so hope you liked the video and please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and yeah,